What if I told you that you can build an eco-friendly home for less than $100 per square meter? And these materials don't just save money, they actually last longer than conventional building materials. Today, I'm showing you 5 sustainable building solutions that cost 10 times less and perform 10 times better. Stay tuned. Building sustainably doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're interested in cheap sustainable materials, eco-friendly DIY projects, or low-cost green building solutions, this video will change the way you think about construction. If you care about the environment and your wallet, this is exactly what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which material you'd use first. First up, compressed earth blocks. These are made from local soil, minimal processing, and zero transportation costs. The price? Around $8 to $15 per square meter. They're fireproof, thermally efficient, and absorb moisture naturally, regulating humidity in your home. Ancient civilizations built with this for thousands of years, and it's making a comeback in modern sustainable construction. Number 2, recycled plastic lumber. This is where innovation meets sustainability. Reclaimed plastic is transformed into durable building boards that cost $20 to $30 per square meter. It doesn't rot, resists insects, requires no maintenance, and can be recycled again. Perfect for outdoor structures, decking, or interior walls. It's literally trash transformed into treasure. Material 3 is straw bales, incredibly cheap at $5 to $12 per square meter, with insulation R values that match modern insulation at a fraction of the cost. And number 4, cork. At $25 to $40 per square meter, cork is harvested without killing trees, is naturally fire resistant, and provides excellent thermal and acoustic insulation. Perfect for flooring or wall panels. Finally, material 5, hempcrete. Made from industrial hemp and lime, it costs $30 to $50 per square meter. It's carbon negative, meaning it actually removes carbon from the atmosphere during production. It's breathable, mold resistant, and creates healthier indoor air quality. This is the future of sustainable building. All 5 materials cost under $100 per square meter and outperform expensive conventional options. The question isn't whether you can afford sustainable building, it's whether you can afford not to. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 materials would you use first? Leave your answer in the comments below. Subscribe for more sustainable living hacks, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.